As you've probably noticed from my previous videos, English isn't my first language, and this video was recorded live. So apologies for the misspellings, wrong word choices, and those long, awkward pauses. I need a moment to fish out the right words sometimes.
Hello everyone. Today I'm trying to save this phone. It's my very, very old phone, and I want to keep it because it has a lot of data that I haven't saved on it. And without the display, there is nothing I can do about it. I cannot save it anyhow. It is important for me to keep this phone. The prehistory, what happened? One sunny day, I took the phone and it was showing me some blue screen. It was pixelized and some blue color here. Then the next time I took it in my hands, there was only 2 stripes of it. I think I have some pictures of it. Here left, and then the next time I took it, there was absolutely nothing. This crack here on the display has been here for a long time, so this is not the issue. I really don't know what happened because it was all of a sudden, I wasn't even using it. I didn't drop it. I don't know how it happened. Maybe it was just time because it's an old phone. It's more than 5 years old. You know, if you take it to the phone service, then it will cost you more than buying a new one, and that's why it doesn't make any sense to take it there. I bought a new screen for it. This is not the official display. We have a glue and we have some tools. Interesting. Oh, I love these tools. Okay, it all comes with the gloss. The phone works because every time I got a message, it makes some noise. That's why I know it's worth it to save it. It's a monolith construction, so that means that the only way to disassemble it is to take off all this stuff that are glued actually together. There are no bolts, no screws in it, so the only thing is just to rig it out. And normally people use some dissolvent, glue dissolvent, but I'll use some alcohol because I have nothing else. You have to push 2 of these buttons, the volume button and the blocking button, together simultaneously and hold it for some time. Yeah, here was the vibration. Well, at least the vibration, we got it that it's off. And now, really, I have no idea how to do this, but there are a lot of stuff I have no idea. I had no idea how to do, but I did it somehow. Again, I'm not a professional, so this is not a professional video. Please keep that in mind. Everything you're doing is at your own risk. I had nothing better, so I took the manicure, my old manicure scissors, and this is how I will try to... Oh, you can see. Not bad, not bad. Yay. Now it would be nice if I had a third hand. But I will do it like this, and here I have these wonderful tools. And I'm gonna do it like this all around the frame. Here you can see the glue. So I'm not gonna need it anymore. Here it comes. Oh, it was easier than I thought. I was afraid of this part because this is really, oh, I don't know yet, but I think this is the hardest part. Okay. Slowly, slowly. I want to remind you guys that this is a totally amateur video. I've been doing this for the first time in my life. Here it is. Nice. Okay. We have a lot of glue here. Oh yes, and something already happened to it. to my phone. Yes, I broke the display once, so this is the second repair. It's a poor phone, but I love it because it's serving for so long. Okay, what do we got here? We have a lot of little screws here. We have to unscrew them all. We have these wonderful tools. It doesn't fit. We need a smaller one. It's gonna take some time. Now we're gonna separate this frame somehow. No idea how. Let's try with this tool. Oh, can't. You have to be very, 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 very careful. It doesn't come off. This cranny here is just for that, but it doesn't work. Okay. It's not the best tool, I would say, but yeah, it is what it is. Okay. Let's take the scissors. Yep, I didn't come off. Okay. I am trying all the tools I have. This is not a good idea because there's this charging board. You know what? I will try different ways, and when it works, I will show you which one works. Okay, I found another tool. It's this tool. Very, very slowly along the frame. Yes, thank you. Okay, something's stuck here. What is stuck here? This is what's stuck here. Oh, this is what I forgot to take out. Oh, so here it is, the frame. Okay, here is the battery. Taking it off so that it doesn't work, and then we're taking off this display flags. And now what we're gonna do, we're gonna check if the problem is really the display. So we're gonna take the new display and we're gonna connect it, because if this is not the display's problem, then so we are going to connect the new one to the phone. It's just, you have to just put it on somehow. Very, very carefully. Yes, there's the click. And now we're gonna connect the battery. And now we're gonna turn on the phone somehow. Now we'll try to turn it on. Works! So, to turn it on, you have to connect with a metal something. These two, I don't know how to call them, points. This here, this one, and here, this one. Let's play a little bit. Huh? Works, huh? Okay, now we have to turn it off. Yay! Okay, now battery off, display off. Good to have nails. Display we'll put here for a while. What's now? Now we need to separate the display from the motherboard somehow. Let's try a hairdryer. See? Universal tool. The glue. So the hairdryer helped a little bit. Okay. Very, very slowly and very, very carefully. Let's take this plastic thing here. Okay, now we have to take away all this glue from here.
I bought this TFT display with 3-day delivery on eBay. If I had a bit more time, I could have snagged an AMOLED display from AliExpress for the same price. Link for the AMOLED display in the description. Looking back, I'd also grab a proper adhesive remover because I spent hours just scrubbing glue off the poke parts.
try with a nail polish remover.
Out of B7000 glue that came with the display, I went full do-it-yourself mode and tried to stick the rest of the phone together with all-purpose adhesive. Next time, definitely getting more of that B7000 adhesive for the new display.
Oh, here it is, what it turned out to be. It's not very accurate, you can see the glue all over the surface, but I needed the phone fast. This is how it is. I wanted to add that the adhesive that came with the display was not enough for the whole phone, so I used all-purpose adhesive. I didn't know that they're still producing the TFT displays. That's why it looks a little bit dark and the colors are not that bright. Also, it reacts differently. So if it is important for you, on AliExpress you can find an AMOLED display for around 23 bucks together with all those repairing tools. I think it's a great deal because you have your phone, you have your information. This is for what I was repairing it because it's very old. I don't really need that, but it has some information that I need. For 23 bucks, you have your phone. You can make it neat.
See you in the next video.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.